Welcome back guys, and in this tutorial we'll be finally creating and finalizing our social Twitter toolkit, and we'll be adding the dynamic title facility I told you in my previous tutorial. So in this tutorial, to grab the information about tab, we'll need to pass another parameter to this my function, and that parameter could be tab. So what this tab contains, now this tab contains all the information about the current tab the user is on in the background script. So to grab the tab title, we have to simply do tab.title, and now this tab.title has got the name of this tab title. Okay, so let's test this out once, and we have extension as tab title name. Right click, share this page, and here you go, extensions as it. If we right click, share this page, then post a tweet on Twitter, post a tweet on Twitter. Here you go. So we have this facility ready, and let's name it to something professional. Click handler should be good, just to create a look of professionalism. And the next thing I want to tell you is that these texts down here are raw information supplied by the third party user, and so we could not trust these information, and while passing them in the URL, some malicious user or attacker could get to know that this user is using this Twitter social toolkit, and I can pass some malicious code into the URL to grab access of his account and all like that stuff. So to just sanitize this data, what we'll do is we'll just encode URI component of this data, and I'll show you what does that mean. For example, let's see right here what does it does. So we open console, encode URI component. So for example, if I pass plus in this, then as you can see, this is converted into percentage and 2b, because plus is a special keyword in the URL scheme and has to be encoded. Similarly, we have different encode URI components for space as well, like you see. Then we have for quotes and all that stuff. So but basically encode URL component would not encode these sentences. So this would actually just sanitize our data so that it's not, this plugin is not misused. Just cover your inputs with this function. This is inbuilt function in JavaScript, so no need to code this. And the last one, we have this tab title, and here you go. Now we have all the useful information we want, and let's reload this extension. Let's see. As you can see, no such change in the text. The text is as usual the same, but now the function is much safer and sanitized. And yeah, one more thing I want to tell you is that right now we are doing Chrome tabs.create. So whenever we right click, select something, and right click and select our option, then it creates a kind of a new tab, and I don't want the interaction to be lost and the user to be redirected from the page. So what we can do is we can create a small pop-up type box right here on the screen itself. And so to do that, we have to rename the chromes.tab to chrome.windows. Now what it does is, a tab is, as you can see with the name, is a different tabs open down here, but window is kind of a new window. So I have renamed this to chrome.windows.create, and rest of the thing is same. And let's try to run this now. Let's reload this extension, let's click on this, and this looks much better than the previous one, but still I don't want this toolbar. I just want the context, this contact box, so because we don't require any toolbars or any other information down here. So what we can do is we can declare a property down here with type as panel. Now panel what would panel do is, panel would remove all those unnecessary information like URL box, your extensions, and your other unwanted information. So let's reload this and let's see. And here we go, a nice clean box with no extra information. Whenever the user click on tweet, the tweet gets posted and then user can close the page. So I guess we are done with our Twitter social toolkit, because now whenever I visit any of the page on internet, then what I can do is, if I want to share any of the links or any of the text, let's say hello world in Python. So let's say I want to share this link. I'll just go right click on this link, share this link to your Twitter profile, and here you go. Here's your string. What you can do else is, I want to share this page, right click, share this page on your Twitter profile, and the pop-up box will pop up, and here you go in Google search. And one more thing we can do is, to share this page, we can add the URL of this page as well to this. And let's see how would you do that. Text, title, and what we'll do is, we'll add another parameter, URL, and %URL is equal to the URL of the page. So to do that, we'll do data.page URL, and this would give us the URL of the page. Remember, we are not doing tab.page URL, we are doing data.page URL. So let's see, reload, right click, share link on the profile, and bam, here you go. But hey, where's my content now? Let's see what happened to that. Text is this, and hey, where's the content now? And URL is this. Let's remove the panel from this so we can actually see what's in the URL. Let's reload this and let's see now what's happening. Extension, save the extension. Oh, okay, I added this in the page actually. Stupid me. Whoa. The page one. Oh, we have to actually add that in the page one, but I was actually clicking the link. I'm so dumb. Never mind. Now let's reload this extension. And page URL we have, alright, this, alright. And just go right click anywhere on the page, share this page on your profile, and here you go, the title first, then the URL then. So this was about getting your extension ready, your first ever extension ready on the Chrome. And remember that this icon down here and this icon down here are different, because this icon is fetched from Twitter site, while this icon down here is your extension icon. So this was a mini series on developing your first Google Chrome extension, and as you can see, we have developed this extension, and maybe I will be launching this on the Chrome with my Google Chrome developer account. And stay tuned and keep watching, and I'm sure you will be a pro in Google Chrome extension development soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.